Hey you, how are you? It's really early in the morning. Um, I just have a little unboxing from Beauty and the Bead. I don't know, I was making that so difficult. Nuts! I'm literally sleepy. Oh man, I haven't had any caffeine yet. So if I seem like sluggish or something, it's because I am. I haven't had my caffeine. I don't know what I'm doing, but I got this bag, Beauty and the Bead. It looks like they now have a pen, and I'm actually kind of a fan of pens because they're always running out. That I think the text. I can't tell if it's my eyes without glasses on. Anyways, that's a cool free little gift there. Alright, so we got, this looks like possibly ocean jasper. I don't remember. It doesn't look like it has a tag on it. Yeah, I think this might be ocean jasper. It almost looks like an agate. Some areas like that. This little guy here looks like an agate, but this guy looks like jasper. Okay. Anyways, these are beautiful. They're about 8 to 10 millimeters around. Ooh, what is this? Oh my goodness, I like this. Oh, I mean, I like this too. This is great. But that's the thing with the live sales. This is from a Beauty and the Bead live sale, and I don't always remember what I buy from live sales, and when I get it, it's like, whoa, what are these? So look at this. Let's see if this is labeled. Nicole. Yeah. Can you read that? I think it might be focused. So tiny. I think it says 2012. These are from 2012. Wow. Nicole. Made in China. It doesn't say what it is. Oh, shoot. And this also looks somewhat like an agate. Look at that. That's like a purple. Too purpley looking. If you know what kind of stone this is, that'd be great. Oh no, this must be a mixed stone. Okay, that's why it's confusing. Because look at this tigerite. There's no question about this tigerite. Look at that flash in that tigerite. Oh my goodness. Whoa, mama. I like you. You're coming home with me. Wow, this green is really beautiful too. This is really nice and earthy. This is what happens when I'm on a bead diet. Apparently a bead diet is just keep buying beads. I'm really bad. Okay, we got something else coming up. These little briolets, I believe. I wonder if my camera is having a hard time focusing because it's at a little bit of an angle today. Oh, these are all... Okay, I'm not gonna mess with trying to untangle them because that's okay. So what does this say? This says Nicole also 2012. Wow, that's pretty cool. These beads have been sitting around since 2012. This also looks like a jasper. See those bands of color? And it's kind of like a deep olive green with kind of caramel colors, and there's like a kind of like a charcoal color in there and some brown, and some of that brown almost looks like burnt sienna. It's really beautiful. These would be fun to put like on the ends of some dangles. Wow. Okay, those are beautiful. I always I've loved all the stones that I have received from Beauty and the Bead. Oh my goodness. These are packed really tight, so I'm going to unpack these and be back in a second. Oh, okay, I'm back. So these are all like little pendants. I totally did not remember all the ones I bid on. So here is Ruby Zoisite pendant. I don't have any Ruby Zoisite. I've been seeing it all around and I'm like, oh, it looks beautiful. And this, wow. That's like a, it's weird. That's crazy. The color is coming pretty true, at least on the camera screen, it's coming true to what I see in my hand. That's really cool. That's great. And the back is not polished, but the front is. It's really gorgeous. There's like a little, can you see those little flecks of like spark of light? It's like little sparks. Sorry, I'm a child. I like to make sound effects. Life is more fun with sound effects. That's what they do to movies. They add sound effects to make it more enjoyable. Okay, this is, I'm sorry, coffee jasper as is. Okay, I don't know what happened to it. Oh, I see the hole is kind of, that's easy. You can just, let me get this out of here. Come on now, get out of there, coffee jasper. Oh, you're beautiful, coffee jasper. Look at you, you're gorgeous. Okay, so the hole has like a little chip. That's what I think they mean by as is. I wonder if this is a composite stone or if it forms naturally. Like, it's beautiful. It's got like a, kind of a deep sage color here. And this is kind of like a slate blue. It's really beautiful. I'm in love with it. Yeah, so like here in front when you put a, like you could do like a, kind of like a large pinch bill that might cover that up. Or you could put like, if you're doing a wire wrapping the top or something, you can either cover it up with some wire or you could put like a disc spacer in front and thread it on there and have like a little disc spacer covering up that small imperfection. I mean, it's like a tiny imperfection. It's not really noticeable at all. Seraphinite. I don't think I have any of this either. Seraphinite. Oh wow. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Do you see that flash of color? Like there's kind of like just a subtle like selenite look to it. That's the only stone I can think of right now. That's, wow. That's really gorgeous. I love that. I just dropped one. I don't want to lose these. These are precious. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. These are $6. So these were $1 a bead. But I think they're worth it. They're very gorgeous, and I'm going to have a hard time using them because they're just too beautiful to use, in my opinion. They're more for looking at and oohing and awing over. Okay, so here we have green quartz. You can barely see it in the bag. Oh, what? Oh, wow. Is this actually a bead? Yeah, it is a bead. The hole, there's a hole at the top. Can you see the hole there? Can you see that hole up there? The going through there? So these are going to have to be used very delicately because I do not want to break these. Oh, wow. This is, and this was $5? Is this real? I mean, is this real quartz? Oh my gosh. Is there something? Let's see if I can. There's some of the color coming through there. Whoa, careful guys, don't fall down. Don't want to lose you. You're beautiful, and we love you. Oh man. Okay. Sorry, I can just stare at those and ooh and ah over those for a while because I don't have any quartz that's that beautiful. That's, wow, that's outstanding. And here we have, oh, what is that? Tripachi or tripake amethyst? $15, and there's different shapes in here, which are like great earring pairs. And they're all taped together. That's good. They're stuck together. So we have this kind of like this sailboat shape, the sailboat sail little pendants. That'd be, man, these are going to be great for earrings. And I don't know if I've seen amethyst with such dark colors in them. Wow, these are interesting. There's a little bit of dirt. Wow, okay, and then this fan shape. It's really beautiful. Wow. This video is long because I'm seeing this for the first time in person, and I cannot believe the quality. So those 3 sets were $15. So I think that's pretty good at $5 a set. And the last bead in this Beauty and the Bead live sell haul is pink zebra jasper, $3 carved. Oh, it's a leaf. Oh, can you see that? Can you see the leaf pattern on there? Okay, yeah, I think you can. Lights are kind of bright. Look at that. Oh, wow. I wish I had more of these. I'm gonna see. That's the thing. A lot of times when they're in the little bags and they're the blowout pieces at the beginning of the show, it may be like the last they have in stock. So I can't remember. I think this might have been a blowout bag because I had to stop buying like an hour into the live sale because I was just spending way too much. I lose track of what I'm spending when I'm on the live sale because I don't always write it down. Anyways, I'm thinking here that my favorite are the quartz. I mean, they're just spectacular. Absolutely. You can see that flash coming through that plastic bag. And then I love the Seraphinite. This is something I don't have, and it's a really interesting green. It's kind of like a Kambaba green. I can't remember if that's how you say Kambaba jasper. Maybe it would be, this might look good with some of that. I don't know. Anyways, Beauty and the Bead. I'll link everything down below. Like, subscribe, comment. Join my Facebook group, Deani Adorn Beads, on Facebook. It's all about beads and just whatever. It's a little small group right now because, you know, I just started out. But, you know, I'm working on building a community and, yeah, got some things in mind. Haven't really fully come to a decision on anything, but I'm thinking about some things. Look at this beautiful pile. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Love you much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.